Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to adjust headlights on your Audi A3. First, park your car on a level surface, about 25 feet from a wall. Make sure your tire pressure is correct and the fuel tank is at least half full for accurate measurements. Next, open the hood and locate the adjustment screws for both the horizontal and vertical beams. These are typically found near the top of the headlight assembly. We'll start with the vertical adjustment. Now let's tackle the vertical adjustment. Mark the center of each headlight on the wall with painter's tape. Then, measure the distance from the ground to the center of your headlights. For most Audi A3 models, you'll want the top of the low beam cutoff to be about 2.1 inches below this marked center line on the wall. Use a Phillips head screwdriver to turn the vertical adjustment screw until you reach this target height. Remember, small turns make a big difference. With the vertical aim set, it's time for horizontal adjustment. Cover one headlight with a towel or cardboard to isolate the beam pattern of the other. You're looking for the brightest part of the beam to be directly in front of the headlight's center mark on the wall. Use the horizontal adjustment screw to move the beam left or right until it's perfectly centered. Once one side is done, repeat the exact same steps for the other headlight to ensure both are aligned correctly. This ensures optimal road illumination. After making all adjustments, take your Audi A3 for a test drive, preferably at night, to confirm the headlights are aimed correctly. Pay attention to how the road is illuminated and ensure your low beams don't blind oncoming drivers. Proper alignment improves visibility and safety for everyone. If needed, make minor tweaks. Remember, for more great tips and product recommendations, check the description below for links to other deals, including those amazing darn tough socks with their lifetime warranty. Thanks for watching and drive safely.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.